Hey guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. Hey yo, football fans from all parts of the United States, the time has come. It's football season. Well, you've come to the right channel. We're gonna make a twist on this Cuban finger food called Papa Rellena, which is known as potato balls, stuffed with ground beef and deep fried. It's the best thing ever. However, we're changing this play at the line of scrimmage because we've got something better than that. We're gonna take what we already know, the Papa Rellena, and we're gonna take our Philly cheesesteak and we're gonna stuff it inside the potato ball. But we're not gonna fry them, we're gonna bake them. We can call this one Papa RockinRaffi. I don't know about you football fans out there, but I'm getting kind of hungry. So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Good baking and good luck. For this recipe, you will need mashed potato, Philly cheesesteak, flour, egg wash, and panko breadcrumbs. To make the Philly filling, check out my other video by clicking on the above link. Go ahead and take the cooled down mashed potatoes, flatten in your hands, add a slice of thin provolone cheese, add some steak mix to it, and what you want to do is just basically roll it up until you form a ball. Dip the ball inside the flour mixture first, throw it into the egg wash mix, cover it up with breadcrumbs. Continue this process until you make as much as you need. We made about 12. Take the balls and put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. After the 30 minutes, remove from the fridge, place in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. And here they are, the Philly cheesesteak potato balls. Look at the golden brown texture, baked to perfection. I'm impressed, but we have one more thing left to do. This QB is calling for a quarterback sweep. Oh, that crunch. It's music to my ears. That's the sound you're looking for. And look at the inside after you cut it open. It should be steaming hot and oozing with cheese. 22, 17, 44, 33, hut, hut, hut. Aw, snap. Now, this is what I call a perfect play. It's kind of like finger food, but yet it's fit enough to be called a meal. And let me tell you, if you're within range and you want to make a field goal kick, then add your favorite hot sauce and have yourself a ball. You guys can go ahead and use Cheese Whiz or any other kind of sauce that tickles your fancy. I'm gonna predict a back-to-back victory in 2019 for the Philadelphia Eagles. Hope you like what I did, and don't forget to write a comment down below, and yo, don't just be looking, go in and subscribe. Click on that little button right down below and subscribe to my channel because I've got a lot of tasty treats coming your way. And until next time, keep on flying. Go Eagles, go Eagles. We'll see you at Super Bowl 2019.